In a peaceful forest filled with rivers and tall trees lived a black crow named Veer. Veer was clever and quick. He could find food easily and warn other animals when danger came. Whenever animals faced a problem, like lost paths, hidden dangers, they came to him. Everyone respected him. Veer loved being needed. It made him feel important. But there was one thing Veer could not control: his jealousy. One spring morning, a beautiful peacock named Arrin arrived in the forest. When Arrin opened his feathers, sunlight danced across brilliant blues and greens. Animals gathered in awe. "Such beauty," the deer whispered. "He looks like a moving rainbow," said the parrots. Veer watched from a tree branch. At first, he felt proud of the forest welcoming a new bird, but slowly another feeling crept into his heart. "Why does everyone look at him?" Veer thought. "I've lived here all my life. I've helped them, yet now all eyes are on him." The seed of jealousy was planted. Days passed. Whenever Arrin danced near the river, animals gathered. Veer noticed fewer animals listening when he spoke. His thoughts changed. "They don't care about intelligence anymore," he muttered. "Only beauty matters." Instead of greeting Arrin, Veer began avoiding him. Then he started speaking about him. "He's just showing off," Veer told the owls. "Don't be fooled by shiny feathers." The owls listened silently. Arrin tried to communicate with Veer, but he ignored him. Jealousy was no longer a thought. It had become poison. One afternoon, dark clouds covered the sky. The wind howled. A storm was coming. Veer saw danger first. A flood was forming near the riverbanks. Normally, he would raise an alarm immediately. But he saw Arrin dancing nearby, surrounded by animals. A bitter thought crossed Veer's mind. "Let him save them today," he thought. "Let them see if beauty can warn them." So Veer stayed silent. Minutes later, the river overflowed. Animals panicked. The water rushed toward them. Arrin tried to guide them, but he had never seen floods before. Confusion spread. Finally, Veer shouted to help, but it was late. Several nests were washed away. Many animals were injured. The storm passed. The forest fell silent. Animals gathered, shaken and scared. The owl elder spoke softly. "We survived, but we were lucky." Veer felt something heavier than jealousy: shame. Arrin approached him. "I didn't know how to handle the flood," Arrin said gently. "If only someone had warned us earlier." Veer's eyes filled with tears. "I saw it coming," he confessed, "but jealousy made me silent." The forest gasped. The owl elder looked at Veer. "Jealousy didn't harm Arrin," he said. "It harmed you and the forest." Veer lowered his head. "I let my pride choose over my duty," he whispered. From that day on, Veer changed. He guided when needed, not for praise, but for safety. He still felt jealous sometimes, but he did not let it control him. When Arrin danced, Veer learned to admire instead of compare. When danger came, Wir spoke first. Jealousy blinds the eyes, silences wisdom, and turns strengths into weaknesses. Others' success does not reduce your value, but jealousy can destroy what you already have. Choose growth over jealousy, before it costs you more than you realize.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a magical day.